Here we are in mid-chapter 7 exercises with numbers 1 through 6. Simplify each expression, and we're seeing here exponents. We're going to use the rules of exponents. Here we have w to the fifth. That's just w to the fifth times t to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. So we have 1 w to the fifth. And that does that problem. Number 2, we have r times r to the third times x to the 7th. R to the third, anytime you have exponent to exponent, that multiplies, so that gives us r to the 9th. R to the first times r to the 9th, we add exponents to get r to the 10th, x to the 7th. And it just sits there like that. Number 3. We have fractions in the exponents, but the rules remain the same. So we have a to the 4/3 times a cubed. So that we're going to take 4/3 plus 3. That's 3 over 1, common denominator. And we get 4 plus 9 is 13/3. So a to the 13/3. B to the 2 plus a negative 9 is -7. And what do negative exponents do? Send it down to the bottom. So we get a to the 13/3 over b to the 7th. All right, number 4. H to the -7, so negative moves it onto the bottom, and that's a -3/2. Is that what that is? Yeah, -3/2. We put that guy on the bottom as well. So we're going to get 1 over. There's nothing really left up on the top, so we have a 1. So we get h to the 7th, and an h to the 4th gives us an h to the 11th. And here this will be down on the bottom, and we have an f to the 3/2 and an f to the 5/2, so we need to add them. 5/2 plus 3/2 gives us 8/2, which is 4. So this is f to the 4th. 1 over h to the 11th, f to the 4th. Number 5. We have k to the -3. That negative will go down to the bottom. Over k to the -9, that'll go up. So we have k to the 9th over k to the 3rd. And division subtracts, and we get k to the 6th over 1. Okay, number 6. We have m to the 7/3 over m to the 5th. So we're subtracting here. 7/3 minus 5. That's over 1, common denominator with fractions. 7 minus 15 is a -8/3. So we have m to the -8/3, which means it goes down to the bottom as 1 over m to the 8/3. Good.